Hi everyone, my name is Briz and I am the Outreach Logistics Coordinator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Thank you so much for joining us today for our DIY costume series video. Today I will be showing you how to make an easy costume at home and be a strawberry. So what you'll need for your DIY costume strawberry is a red shirt or sweater, a glue gun, some glue sticks, a piece of cardboard. This is felt, but you can use any fabric of yellow or green colors. The headband is optional, a marker is optional, and you'll definitely need a pair of scissors. So what you're going to do first is you're going to stick your cardboard inside of the shirt. Whenever you're hot gluing something, and remember, if you're a child who needs some help, make sure you get an adult to help you with the glue gun. But whenever you're hot gluing something to clothing, you always want to make sure you stick something in between those layers. That way it doesn't glue onto itself. So make sure you already have your piece of cardboard in your shirt. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your green felt to cut off the leaves that are on your strawberry. They can be either big or small depending on the size shirt that you're using. You can also use a marker for this, or you can freehand it. Next, take your pair of scissors and cut them out. Once you have a layout of triangles, you can go ahead and cut those up too. Like I said, it's okay if it's not perfect, because when we start putting them around the neck, it'll be layered. For the next step, you're going to place them around. Don't put glue on them yet, and just see what are the best pieces to fit around. Next, you're going to take your hot glue, and you're going to start putting glue on the back end, and just stick it close to the top. Whenever you start layering, try not to add too much of the felt onto your neckline. This will, if you put too much, it'll stop it from stretching, and you might need to have it stretch enough to fit your head in. Perfect, now you have the leaves on your strawberry. Next, you're going to take your marker again, or you can do it freehand, but you'll be taking the yellow felt and making teardrops on it. The size of them, again, varies on the size of the shirt, however you want to make it. So once you feel like you have enough, you're going to scatter them across your red shirt. You're going to take some hot glue, doesn't need a lot, and press it down. Remember, I still have my piece of cardboard under here. I might have to move the cardboard around once I start getting lower to the shirt. Lower on the shirt. Once you're done putting all the seeds on your shirt, if you have any scraps left, you can also make a headband using the scraps that you have and just hot glue, using the hot glue gun to put them all together. Thank you so much for joining us today for our DIY costume series. We'll see you next time.